Hey y'all, it's Sheila. Thank you for stopping by and spending some of your time with me. I do so appreciate it. Time. That's what a lot of us have a lot of on our hands right now. We have a lot of time. We're staying at home. We're not going out in public. We're only going out for essentials. Sound familiar? A big part of our nation is doing just that right now. A big part of the nation has to. Their states or their counties have issued stay at home. Don't go out. Social distance. You know, that's been going on for a while now in many states and many counties across the United States. I'm just blessed that no one in my family, friends, loved ones has been stricken with the coronavirus. I am so thankful for that. So, what am I doing to pass the time while we're staying at home? Well, I don't have any kids to homeschool. I'm retired. I retired about the age of 48, 49, so I don't need to work from home. Um, I do work part time for some friends. I do their books. That's not something that has to be done right now. But what am I doing to pass the time? Back in December, I came up here and I tore this room apart. This room had gotten out of control. I had too much stuff in it. I had that big desk where I used to sit and do videos from. I have my exercise bike up here and some weights, and it was just getting impossible to get to them because I had too much crap in here. The closet had I had old work stuff in it, stuff from when we owned assisted livings and when we sold those and I went to work for a gentleman. It was just full of stuff, so I tore it apart. There was a truckload of junk, stuff, trash. And then it's like, it's so nice to come up in this room, such a peaceful, serene room, and sit and do my makeup, ride my exercise bike, do a little workout. And then I thought, I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to pick an area in my home. And in January, I chose my kitchen pantry. We don't eat a lot of sugar here. I had a 5 pound bag of sugar that I guess with the Carolina humidity, it was rock hard. I threw out a bunch of stuff. I ordered storage containers and I have all my dry goods and pastas and beans and stuff in storage containers now. When I got through with that, I'm like, this is so nice to open the door to the pantry and go up in the room where I put on my makeup and visit with y'all and have it be so well organized and just peaceful, calm. It's a calming room now. Then my friend Gina Pearson, hey Gina, in January she started a series where she has written down tasks in her home and she has them in a jar and she pulls one out and she films herself. She's done her makeup, she's done her kitchen, she's done her crafting room, and I thought, I'm gonna do that along with Gina, doing it a little different. I didn't put task in a jar. I chose the areas that were bothering me the most. And those areas were my bathroom cabinets and drawers and my kitchen cabinets and drawers. I don't know who messes those places up. I don't know who jumbles things around in my drawers. It couldn't be me. It couldn't be. I'm too organized for that. So I have been doing that along with her, but in a different way. If you're bored and want to see some good cleaning and decluttering videos, Gina's got several videos up. I think you'll enjoy them. Uh, Springtime, I normally do a lot of spring cleaning anyway. I do it twice a year. Um, this is just a little more in depth. I'm throwing away stuff I hadn't touched in years. Some things had sentimental value, and I'm one that I have a hard time throwing away things with sentimental value, but I have done that. And it just makes for a calmer, more peaceful existence with my home. That's the way I feel. I also wanted to tell you the video I did on the air purifier. I have gone 2.5 weeks without dusting my bedroom. From going from dusting 3 times a week to only 3 times a week to only dusting once every 2.5 weeks. I love that air purifier. I do. And I ordered two more That's how much I loved it. Anyway, just had to throw that in. I'm trying to stay busy. I'm trying to keep my mind occupied. I am not sitting glued to the news. I'm not. And some of you may be, and that's fine. I'm not. I'm trying to stay up, stay active, keep my mind busy, keep my hands busy. In the middle of all this, I had a rheumatoid flare up. That was one for the record books for me. Um, but as soon as that passed, I got back up and got back out with it. I'm going outside and digging in the dirt, cleaning flower beds, just stuff like that. I planted a few flowers. I love being outdoors. I don't like the bugs, but I love being outdoors. And hopefully next week, I'm going to start cleaning out my goldfish pond because we didn't cover it up last year. And my goldfish pond is under a water oak or a pin oak. Uh, and it was full of leaves and acorns, and that's I've got part of that out, but hopefully next week I'm gonna drain the goldfish pond and work on that. I hope no one in your immediate family or your extended family or loved ones or friends has been stricken with the coronavirus. I sincerely hope that. I hope you're well. I hope you have everything you need, and I just hope you stay safe. Um, that's my hope for you. But here in this little world of mine, we're all well. Do we have everything we want? No. Do we have everything we need? Yeah, we do. So tell me below, what are you doing to stay busy, or what are you doing to pass the time? Are you sequestered at home? Is your state on a uh, stay at home? Um, I feel for all the people that can't work right now and really need to be working to feed their families. I do. My heart goes out to them, and they are in my thoughts and prayers just as you are. Stay well, stay safe, stay healthy. Love you all, my friends. Bye bye.